Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. I'm Ishani and I'm honored to be a part of the Rustic Charm video hub by Altenew. If you're hopping along, you should have arrived from the amazingly creative Sandy Woodson's channel. If not, you can join the hop starting at the Altenew channel that I'll link in the description box below. Because there are going to be 8 lucky winners who will win $25 gift certificate each, for which you only have to subscribe, give a thumbs up and comment on the 11 stops. That are full of inspiration and amazing ideas and techniques using the fabulous new Rustic Charm release by Altenew. Today for my project, I'm using the True Friends stamp set, stencil and die bundle that has beautiful sentiments for friends, for cousins. You can use the hashtags. The stamp is so versatile, it could be used for masculine cards or feminine cards or just general neutral cards. This eucalyptus branch I had used to do no line coloring with, and you can just make clean and simple cards by stamping a sentiment between the two branches. With that, you also get coordinating dies. Because these leaves may get a little tricky to fussy cut, the dies will help you cut out neatly the stamped images. And then we have simple coloring stencil that will coordinate with all the leaves that are in the stamp set. I'm going to show you some quick ways to make beautiful cards, and let's go ahead and make our first quick and easy feminine card with the stamp set. The sentiments of this set are so beautiful that I wanted the words to be the hero or probably the heroine of the card because it is going to be a feminine card. I take the sentiment and stamp it in black ink. And isn't it beautiful? You overlooked my failures and celebrated my success. Thank you for being a true friend. For a simple design, I'm going to next stamp one of the leaves in a way that it wraps around the sentiment. And for a card for a girl, I'm going to use pink. I take rubellite ink and I stamp my leaf around my sentiment. I'm using a stamping platform, but you can use a stamping block. I am a messy stamper and I can't get a good crisp image in my first go. So I take the help of stamping platform. Similarly, I stamp the same leaves at the bottom of the sentiment with the same rubellite ink. I'm a lover of clean and simple cards, and just simple stamping with colored inks makes such beautiful cards. For the card base, I've taken a similar dark pink cardstock, similar to the stamped image, and I adhere it with double-sided foam tape. And to add some embellishment, I add some drops of black Nuvo drops. And after I had put them, I realized I did not like them. So while they were wet, I scraped them off. And then I add my favorite embellishments, some half pearls, just over the black dots that were left by the Nuvo drops. And there are some areas where you can see a little black line. To cover that, I take a white gel pen and go over the black mark. And here you have a clean and simple feminine card made in minutes. This idea is perfect for doing mass production of cards. I hope you like this idea and will take out your outline stamps or solid stamps and use colorful inks to stamp the images and make the sentiment your heroine. After a card for girls, let's go ahead and make for men. I take a watercolored cardstock for this card and I'm going to stamp the leaves on one side of the cardstock. This is one of the rules to keep your card clean and simple by using only one side of the card. I prep my surface with anti-static powder and then I stamp only one of the branches, changing its angles with black ink and then clear heat emboss them. You may be wondering why I took watercolored cardstock. Watercoloring these leaves will not make a quick card. Yes, I know, but you also know that I am not a great watercoloring artist. And when you can't watercolor well, you can cheat. So I'll tell you how to cheat and make a card look watercolored. Every time I stamp, I clear heat emboss and I stamp 3 times to cover one of my sides. And then I take simple coloring stencil, adhere it with washi tape, and use two greens, sweet leaf and just green crisp dye inks for my leaves. And I'll also add a little yellow ink. I'm using warm sunshine at the tips of my leaves. For the rest of the leaves, I will keep changing the intensity of the same three inks. And this will quickly fill up all my leaves. A little about the giveaway. You have time till 14th October to subscribe, like and comment on all the videos of the designers in the hop. And Altenew will draw randomly 8 winners and announce them on the Altenew Winners Page on 16th October 2021. Also, if you're new to my channel, I'd love if you'd subscribe and also check out the technique-rich card making videos on my channel. Every new subscriber means a lot to me. I also have used affiliate links to all the products in the video. If you'd use my link, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I'll be grateful for you to support my passion. After the stenciling is done, it's time to give it a watercolor look, for which I'm going to use the newly launched Perfect Craft Room Companion Fine Mister. And I really love the way this bottle is dressed up in tuxedo. All the girls will be happy to have a mister as a Perfect Craft Room Companion. I have water in my Fine Mister and I'm going to spray some mist on my leaves, just enough so that the inks get a little wet, diffuse and merge together. And this will leave people guessing, how did you do such beautiful watercoloring? And only you know that it is just some quick stenciling. I'll keep my card simple and stamp one of the sentiments after the panel dries. Friendship is a million little things for sure, in black ink that you can also heat emboss in clear embossing powder, but I did not do that for my card. To finish off the card, I use double-sided foam tape and adhere my watercolored panel on a brown cardstock. And here you have 2 cards made in minutes with 2 different techniques and one amazing stamp set, True Friends. I have some more examples on my blog. In one, I used masking tape to create a frame and colored with alcohol inks. And for the other card, I did simple no-line watercoloring. These cards are part of another blog hop that you can participate at. The link to the Rustic Charm blog hop is in the description box below. Your next stop is in the description box below. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please do let me know which one was your favorite card. Happy crafting. Take care. Bye-bye.